Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to create a 3D model from scratch in SolidWorks. So if you are someone who is preparing for CSWA exam, this video is perfect for you. Now let's move forward with section C, problem 4. So the unit system should be in mmgs. So on right bottom corner you can see this box wherein you can choose your desired unit system. Decimal places should be up to 2, so I can go to Tools, Options, Document Properties, Units, and you can change your unit system from here as well. Decimal places are up to 2 by default. Okay. Now, part origin should be arbitrary, meaning I can start my sketch from any point. There is no specific location or position mentioned for the origin. Material type is aluminium. Material is 6061T4 SS stainless steel. So I'll go to edit material and under aluminum alloys you can find 6061T4 stainless steel. Now just cross check the density. So here it is given 2300 kg per meter cube and here it is given 2700 kg per meter cube. So there is a typo here. So I'll apply and close. Now I will define the global variables. So I'll go to Tools, Equations, and here A is 1.5, B is 2, and C is 110. Now you can see that the global variables and the material that you just assigned will show up here in the feature manager tree. Now let's start sketching. Go to the front plane and select sketch. Now I'm choosing a center rectangle and I am giving relationships between the adjacent edges as equal. Now I'm going to draw a horizontal and a vertical center line. Also make sure that this center and the origin coincides. Okay. Now let's give dimensions. So this is, as you can see here, this distance from here to here is a plus b by 2 plus a. So let's start giving. Okay. So I have the square now. Now let's add fillets. So let's give a fillet of 0.25 to all the 4 corners or 4 vertices. Okay. Now let's choose corner rectangle and draw a rectangle over here. Let's give relations between these 3 edges as symmetric. Let's give dimensions now. So this should be equal to A and this should be equal to B. Now go to circular sketch pattern and choose this entity and the count should be 4. Now choose trim entities and trim these unwanted edges. Okay, so now go to features and choose extrude option and extrude this by C. As you can see here, this is C, and select the opposite side and OK. Now I still want to make few sketches on this face, so I'll go to this face and start sketching. Now again I'll draw a center line. Okay, now let's choose a line option and let's draw a trapezium. Make sure that this edge is parallel with this center line and this is parallel with this center line. Also make sure that all the three edges are symmetric and make this edge collinear with this one. Okay, now let's start giving dimensions. So this should be equal to B and the distance from here to here should be A. Now let's choose fillet option. Let's keep it 0.25. Let's give fillet to these endpoints and OK. Now let's choose circular pattern option and select these entities and give a count of 4. And go to features, choose extruded cut and choose through all condition and click on OK. Now choose fillet option and give a fillet of 0.25 and choose all these edges. So I'll go to sketch and I'll select this face and I'll draw a circle here with a diameter of B. And then you can go to features, extruded cut and cut this through all. Now go to evaluate mass properties and the mass is 26.78 grams and here you have 26.79 grams. So our answer is matching. Now you need to solve part B and part C of this problem and let me know your answers in the comment section below. Also, if you have any queries or doubts, please post your questions in the comment section. For more such videos, keep following. Thank you so much.